Hi guys, this is Joe. I'm the AJA APAC Presales Manager. Thanks for your interest in AJA Beach Life, which is a 4-channel HD or single-channel UHD encoder, decoder, transcoder turnkey system that's designed for remote productions, multi-channel video contributions, remote collaborations, direct-to-audience streaming, and multi-bitrate and format delivery. Today, we are going to show you how you can use 2 units of Beach Life to backhaul 64 channels of uncompressed audio from location A to location B using just the public internet. Of course, in order for you to set that up, you need 2 units of Beach Life, and this is what we have here. One unit actually based in AJA HQ in Northern California, in Grass Valley, and I have another unit actually sitting right beside me in my office in Malaysia here. You can see that by looking at this. This is an internet IP address, and this is a remote device that we set up in AJA. What I'm going to do next is to add a new pipelines. I'm going to add a total of 4 of them. Each of them will take in 1 SDI input along with 16 channels of audio. So total 64 channels of audio, and code all of that into SRT and send it all the way back to Malaysia and decode back to SDI. So this is the first pipeline. I'm going to name this to SDI to SRT along with 16 channels of audio and 01. And choose SDI input and click on start detecting input. So this workflow actually apply to NDI sources as well, because Beach Life support 16 channels of audio along with this NDI input. So if you have in the location here, you have a lot of NDI sources which you want to send a lot of audio back to not to another location, you can use this setup too. So now that you've got it set up, you're gonna collect these sets on input, so that copy and paste all the parameters into here. You can see that it also detected 16 channels of audio, total 8 channels pair of stereo along with this input. And now I'm gonna just add output from here. I'm gonna name this output as SRT 01, so that I don't get confused. And I'll change this base bitrate to up to 40 milliseconds because we do need quite a bit of it to keep all 16 channels of uncompressed audio. I'm gonna key in the IP address that I previously set up in AJA, the port number, the Ethernet port. I'm gonna leave the video encoding to H.264 as it is, and this is where I'm gonna add the audio mapping. So you can see the 16 channels of audio, 8 pair of them. I'm just going to add 8 pair of them on the output. So you can leave this as AES as it is, but 24-bit. Same goes with channel 2, 4-bit, or 8 of them. Number 4. So it's going to take a little while, so just bear with me for now. And this is channel pair number 6, number 7, and number 8. There you go. 8 pair of stereo audio, and all of them is in AES 24-bit. Just save the setup and save and restart. So at this point, you can just click on the main page and see how much of CPU processing power does it need and how much bandwidth is occupied to do that. So I have changed these interfaces here to Internet Card 1. So it takes a little while to show you how much bandwidth it will occupy. So at this point, we can just proceed to decode it. So same here, I'm just going to add a new pipeline. Of course, this will be in the reverse direction. It will be SRT back to SDI with 16 channels of audio 01. And I'm going to use SRT here. Key in the IP address that I set up in AJA 20 and 5051. This is the port number, and this will be in caller mode. So I actually dial into the unit into Beach Life. So as I click on the start detecting input here, you can come back to Beach Life and see that the brisk yellow is turned to green. It means that it has successfully established a connection, SRT connection from this beach life to this beach life. So you come back to here, you can see that it already detected the video input along with the 16 channels of audio. So all you got to do is just click on the same set as click on this set as input as well. So you copy and paste all these parameters into this here and proceed with decode that into an SDI. So you can choose SDI here and choose which port you want to output that. I'll choose number 1. Same goes at this mapping here. You can see all 8 channels of stereo, total 16 channels. Add all that onto your output. You'll get 16 channel audio from there. Pretty easy and straightforward. There you go. 8 pairs of stereo, all of them in 40 kilohertz, 24-bit. And you just got to save and restart. So at this point, you come back to this encoder here and see how much bandwidth does it occupy. As you can see, it just takes about 30 megabit per second to send 16 channels of uncompressed audio along with a video SR3 stream with 8 megabit per second. And the performance-wise on the CPU is negligible, barely touching 10% here. And you can see this is all okay as well. You can also click on this main page here. Look at how much of bandwidth does it need to decode that. As you can see, this is about 30 megabit per second as well. And CPU is way lesser than that. So you can click on this just to verify that, yeah, those 16 channels of audio is all already here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's all you need to do to set up a pipeline from encoding 16 channels of audio along with SRT, send it all the way to another beach live and decode that back to SDI. So at this point, we can proceed. We are duplicating this pipeline, getting more input. But to save time, I previously set all this up and save that as a preset. So I'm just straight away upload this here to save some time. So there you go, all 4 pipelines is here. I'm going to remove the first one so that it doesn't duplicate. And I'm going to start all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. And here I'm going to come to this decoder here, also upload the preset that I previously saved. I will also delete the first one to prevent duplication, and also start the rest of the tree here. So there you go. Just give it a few more seconds. There, all 4 pipeline has up and running. So if you click on this, look at this bottom here, look at the output streams, so total of 4 SRT output, and each of them is 1080p 29.97 for those 8-bit, along with 16 channels of audio. It doesn't show here, but once you click on each of the pipeline, you can see that they all have 16 channels of audio output. There you go, you can see here. And the third one, sixteen channels audio as well. And also the 4th pipeline, 16 channels of audio. So this is the 4th one, 16 channels audio all here. And let's look at the Ethernet bandwidth that it needs to send all this. So if you hover your mouse over the green line here, which means a transmit, you can see that it takes about 121 megabit per second to send 4 channels of video along with 64 channels of uncompressed audio. Same goes at this decoder here. You also need about 121, 122 megabit per second to receive all this and decode all that back to SDI with 64 channels of audio. So that's all for today for this video. I hope you learned something. If you want to learn more about AJA products and especially Beachline, please feel free to come to our AJA website and look at the tech specs and download the manual or from there. Or better still, jump straight to this schedule a demo web page here. Leave your contact details. We will then reach out to you to arrange on-site demo or at least an online demo to you.